Hello, my dear students. We shall continue our subject. So far, I have given some ideas about why you should be a student of Alpha Matriculation Higher Secondary School and why should you choose this group. I said, now you have become a student of this group. So I should teach you as a teacher for accountancy some units today, and for that I have selected unit 3 first. 1 and 2 we will see later. This unit 3 is titled as Books of Primeentry. In every business, it is the duty of the businessman to prepare some accounts books, and that is why this term books it is given. What is the books of Primeentry? Prime, and what are the accounts to be prepared, or what are the entries to be passed in the beginning of the preparation of the accounts. And for that, there are some rules you should learn, and those rules are golden rules which we shall see later. In the coming classes we shall see it. And therefore, all the transactions, what do you mean by transaction? I am using the term transaction. What all you do in the business, the activities are called here transaction. For those transactions, there are giving and receiving aspects, coming in, going out aspects, loss and gain aspects are there, and which we will learn it in the second model. So, for every transaction, there are two aspects. With those two aspects, we are going to see some sums. And since this type of accounts are prepared primarily or in the initial stage itself, or we are going to learn what are the accounts to be prepared in the beginning of the preparation of the accounts. And for that, there are two methods. One, accounting equation approach. One is the accounting equation approach. Accounting equation approach. Second one is a traditional approach. We are going to see now the accounting equation approach in this under exercise. Under exercise, we are doing now the first problem. 1. Assets equal to capital plus liabilities. Exercise, first problem, this is A, first one. First problem, A subdivision, A, B, C we are going to do. Asset 1 lakh, capital 80,000, liability what? Then under B division, asset 2 lakhs, Capital we do not know, we must find. And the liability is 40,000. And the C division, assets we do not know. Capital 1,60,000 plus liabilities 80,000. Perhaps this liabilities here is called creditors. We must find the answer for these three. And before start answering these questions, you should know what do you mean by asset, what is capital, what is liabilities. Assets, the things owned by the family, we call it asset in the business. The things owned by the business. If it can be calculated in terms of money, it is called assets. What is the capital? The amount actually invested into the business is called capital. It may be cash. It may be some other things, whatever it is, they are called, if they are invested, assets. And otherwise, the term capital is standing there. Capital in the sense, the amount invested into the business. Liabilities, the amount owed to others by the business. It may be a loan borrowed, whatever it is. It may be the goods borrowed on credit basis. Whatever it is, the commitments, that is the business owed to others is called liabilities. So, assets owned by the business, capital, the amount invested into the business, liabilities, the amount which is owed to others, which is liable to be paid to others. They are called liabilities. Okay, with that. You can find now there is an equal to. So left hand side and the right hand side must be equal. If you write what amount here, the left hand side and the right hand side will be equal. Left hand side 1 lakh, right hand side 80,000, and another figure is missing. What number we should write here to be equal on both sides? 80,000. If you write 20,000 here, 80 plus 80,000 plus 20,000 is equal to 1 lakh. And the next problem you see, assets 2 lakhs, capital we do not know, and the liability is only 40,000. Just now I said, left side and right side must be equal. Left side it is 2 lakhs. Right side it is 40,000, and how much amount is missing on the right hand side? 1,60,000. Only if you write 1,60,000, the left hand side and the right hand side will be equal. And see the C division, third division. Right hand side both the values are given, left hand side nothing is given. If you add these two, that will be equal to this left hand side. Add those two numbers, 1,60,000 and 80,000, 2,40,000, and both the sides are equal. Now this is the missing figure. So now I have introduced the accounting equation. What is the accounting equation? Assets equal to capital plus liabilities. Capital plus liabilities. This is called accounting equation. And under that there are 3 subdivisions and 3 small problems are given. Just to find the missing figure. That's what we have found out and answered.